Hi everyone, welcome back to Fantastic Tips by Nishri. So today I'm going to be talking on the topic which I think all of us are facing or we do face at the point of time or we see others doing that. So I'm going to be talking about why do we judge people or why do we make assumptions. So first is our perception. Perception which we have grown up with, perception what people have told us. So we have, grown up with this particular set mind or particular set thing to a particular situation or a behavior or it's a personality. Everybody's grows up with a different kind of, everybody has a different personality. Plus, we are culturally different, we are religiously different. So yes, our perceptions on how we have grown up, makes us judge a situation and judge a person. Second is, I think we have grown up with this phrase, what you see is what you believe. So sometimes we see something and maybe from far away, but we see it and we start believing in it, and we say, okay, this is how it is. I saw it with my own eyes. But sometimes what you see might not be the truth. The third thing I could say is that you relate something to your past experiences. Maybe a friend has behaved in a particular situation in the past, and if something else happens, you start relate. If another friend does something to you, you start relating. That way that friend did that, or at that point of time, and sees it's the same behavior, or maybe it's the same thing. So you start associating your past experiences or the past situation, and you start your judgment, or you start basing your assumptions or judgments on your past experiences. So how do we change, or how do we stop judging people? The first thing would be that we need to communicate and find out the truth. If we know the person, we need to find out what exactly is the truth. What you have seen might not be true, so you need to find out whether why. Maybe if you told hi to a friend and she did not reply you back, it doesn't mean she's rude, it doesn't mean she's ignoring you. It can be possible that she was distracted due to some personal reasons, or she actually didn't see you, or there could be umpteen reasons. So communicate and find out what is the real reason. The second could be, we need to delve in ourselves, maybe because sometimes we lack confidence or we feel insecure. So maybe to make ourselves feel better, we start judging or putting a little bit of negative or seeing others in a poor light, so that we feel better about ourselves. And that is one of the reasons why we could judge and make a different have a different idea about the person because of our lack of insecurity. The next one is, what we need to do is keep an open mind, because every time there is a situation, a person matures, a person changes. The time could be different, a situation could be different. So keep an open mind. Okay, this is a situation, maybe these could be the possibilities. Do not close your mind to saying, oh no, this is how it was and this is how it will be. So keep an open mind. And the last one is, are we perfect? Is any human perfect? So who are we to judge anybody else? Because we aren't perfect ourselves, we aren't completely right, or we aren't correct in all the situations. That what gives us a right and to judge somebody else? So I hope these pointers would really help you grow as a better person. And try, I know it's difficult to put ourselves in others' shoes and think about the situation in different ways, but try, and you might see that it might really help you. So I hope you liked my video. If you did, please click on the like button, put in your comments, put in your feedbacks. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel, Fantastic Tips by Ministry. Till then, see you. Take care.